Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our S8 Pro, and as you requested, we are going to demo on how to connect with the Bluetooth call for the S8 Pro smartwatch. Again, we do have here the S8 Pro smartwatch, and it is using the HRY Find application. Although we have several videos about the HRY Find app, okay, with the Bluetooth call demo. So this is our first video for the S8 Pro with the Bluetooth call demonstration. So if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial for the Bluetooth call as well as SMS and app notification feature of the S8 Pro, just drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, we are already paired with our support app, the HR Wi-Fi application, as you can see here. Okay, C2072A. Okay, let me check. So we have it here, the MAC address. We are connected. Okay, so again here in the device settings, let's check if we are okay or we already set the permission. Message reminder, as you can see here. So everything's okay. What else? Let's check. Here in our phone book. Okay, so let's add this one to our contacts. As you can see here, it is being set up. Okay, again, adding contacts to your smartwatch, you can input the number or choose from the uh, address book. Okay, then going back, so we have, I guess everything is okay. Let's check on our Bluetooth here. Let's see. So this one, okay, HRY Find app or HRY. I guess this is our device here, HRY 3.0. As you can see here, everything's okay. So let's check. Let's try. Okay, let's call the number here or this phone. Okay, so we have another one here. Okay, let's go first with the SMS. Okay, so let's have a message here. S8 Pro smartwatch. Again, this is SMS message. Can we read the message here? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have here the SMS. As you can see, we can read it directly here in the wearable. Okay, let's check again. Okay, S8 Pro smartwatch. So we have here the previous message. Okay, again, let's do it again. Hello, S8 Pro. Okay, so we have some vibration. Okay, you will be notified by a pop-up message. So we do have the SMS, and we also have here the WhatsApp application. Okay, so let's try with a WhatsApp application here. Again, so far the SMS works for the smartwatch. Okay, so this is our previous message before. So let's have this one, S8 Pro WhatsApp demo. Okay, so it works. We have an icon here. Going back, as you can see here, we have at least 4 messages here stored. Okay, so this is the recent message, S8 Pro WhatsApp demo. Okay, so at least it can store at least several characters here, as you can see. Okay, what if we call directly here from the WhatsApp application. So let's try. Okay, incoming voice call. So you can only receive a notification. Okay, but you cannot accept calls here from the application WhatsApp. Okay, only notifications. Okay, as you can see so far, the SMS, the application notification works. Let's go with the call notification or Bluetooth call. Let's see for our Bluetooth call. Okay, we're calling the number. This phone, we're calling it. Oops. Oh, we didn't receive any call notification. Okay, again, let's check what seems to be the issue here. Okay, let's go back here. Do we have a problem? Okay, let's check. Seems like everything is okay. Okay, everything is okay here. HR Wi-Fi app. We are connected. The phone book's added. Message reminder. We did not even receive a call reminder. Okay, everything has been set here, but we did not receive any call notification. Okay, the Bluetooth here is activated also, as you can see. Find phone. Let's see, maybe we set on the do not disturb mode. Okay, it's not activated, as you can see here. And we are paired also. So what seems to be the issue here? Okay, let's do it here in the phone or in the smartwatch. Contacts cannot operate without phone. Okay, again, let's try. Okay, so it's not working so far. Phone book. Okay, let's see if we were able to synchronize it. Seems like it's working here for the contacts. Okay, synchronize. But here, as you can see, cannot operate without the phone. Okay, I guess we have an issue here in our Bluetooth section. Really, again. How about this one? HR 3.0, everything is okay. How about this one? Everything is okay. So we don't, okay, so this one, I think this one, another one. Tap on it. Pairing. And just allow it, pair. Okay, active. Okay, so seems like we were able to solve the issue here. Okay, let's call. Okay, as you can see here, we have successfully connected the Bluetooth call. Okay, and going back, contacts, let's see, dial number. Okay, so it works, as you can see here. And okay, how about dialing the number? Okay, so let's see. Going back to our phone. Okay, let's go back here. Let's check the number. Phone, contacts. We have here the Sam phone. Okay, dial 0969 0969 661 58399. Okay, so as you can see, it works. Okay, it's now dialing the number. Let's end. Let's have another one, and let's try to answer the call. Okay, so I'm calling the number, so let's see. Okay, so let's try to answer. Hello? Yes? Hello? We are calling from the S8 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so far it works, but the speaker is not that really good. But we have here the call logs. As you can see, we have the dial, it works. Contacts, it works. Message notification works. So the Bluetooth call, SMS call, as well as the app notifications, as you can see here, works with our S8 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so everything works for the S8 Pro smartwatch. Just don't forget the settings in the Bluetooth section. Okay, sometimes you really have to manually add, okay, the Bluetooth, okay, connection here. As you can see, okay, you have to add this one, the HRY 3.0, okay, connectivity. Okay, so that's it for our Bluetooth call, SMS, and app notification feature of the S8 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Bye.